Getting ready for the restart. Jimmy Johnson, what a climb back into the top 5 he's had. Truex, Harvick, Keselowski, Martin into turn 1. It's going to be dicey. This is when you get all bottled up. 3 wide, on the apron, in the wall. Logano inside of the 48 of Johnson. Oh, Martin gets squirrely in the 31, but he hung on. He had a rough ride coming up off that apron. Yeah, Jimmy Johnson had to really give Logano some room right there. That could have been big. Truex the leader from Harvick, Keselowski, Hamlin, and Martin. Ambrose, it's go time. Like right now is decisive. You've got to get your track position. You've got to get up front and stay there. Logano and Ambrose. Logano takes the spot. 6th place for Marcus Ambrose. Biffle is coming, and there's Johnson in 48, Steve.
As soon as Jimmy Johnson hit pit road, Mike, and left, Jim Canal said, save gas immediately. This is important. You are 3 laps short right now to save green. Save.
I believe if I'm 3 laps short and I can save just a teeny bit, I don't know if I can do it down here on the apron trying to pass these guys or not, but I think he can make it. I think there are a number of guys that are going to try to make it.
Yeah, he thought twice, Jimmy Johnson in the 48 about going 3 wide going off into turn 3. He rolled out.
This is the most activity there's ever been in this fish tank. All it took was the addition of one more little red, blood red Parrot Cichlid, and those little guys up there, even though they aren't really doing much. But supposedly they will encourage the others to not hide all the time. So we'll find out.